Oh, my back. Oh, what a hard day in construction. I could really use a nice refreshment after all that sweat. But no water for me. Nope, no water. I want me a nice refreshing cold glass of soda.
But you need water.
Read the shirt. It says, I hate water. Wait a minute. Do that again. I love water.